Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to add your Etsy reviews to Shopify. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to be opening up the official main page right here, which is the home page from where we can get started. So go to Etsy.com if you've not already. Open up the main website. So this is going to be the home page you're greeted by, and in the upper right corner we can get started. So if you do not already have an account, what you can do is go and sign up for one, and if you have one, you can just log in normally. So go ahead and log in normally if you haven't already, and after logging in, you'll be greeted by this home page right here from where we can get started finding all the products that we want to buy, that we want to use, that we can go ahead and get started setting up your store right here and so on. And let's go and take a look at how to import the store reviews that we have on Etsy into Shopify. Basically, as you can see in this article right here on official community Shopify website, somebody asked on how do you go ahead and import the reviews. And here we have a couple of reviews and answers from Shopify staff. Basically, guys, migrating from Etsy to Shopify is easy, and there are a couple of different ways to import your reviews. To manually import your reviews, you can use a CSV file. So what you're going to do, guys, is go ahead and format your Etsy reviews to a CSV file. You can export them right here. A CSV file is a file that you can use for Excel and so on, some data type applications, so that you'll be able to format the CSV to match Shopify's example file. And after that, you can go to Shopify, go to settings, apps and sale channels, product reviews, and import, and there you can upload your CSV file. So if you need even more help, guys, you can go ahead and take a look at all the info right here that people have been talking about on the forum page. Go in Google and find some forum pages right here on how you import the Etsy reviews, because Shopify staff is going to help you out. So it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.